Excuse me, do you speak English? Yeah, a little bit. What's the problem? Oh, thank God! I'm sorry to disturb you, but how can I get to the Eiffel Tower from here? Oh, you're almost there, actually. You go straight until you see a coffee shop called Eiffel, then you turn left. I'm headed there too, by the way. Do you want me to go with you? That would be great. Thank you so much. By the way, your English is so good. Where did you learn it? Thanks. I used to live in the US when I was young for about 5 years. So that's why your English sounds so natural. No, it's not that good. But thank you. Don't be so humble. You are French, right? If so, your pronunciation is pretty impressive. Yeah, I was born and raised here in Paris. Thanks for the compliment. Living in the US did help me a lot with my English pronunciation, though. I see. The best way to learn a language is to live in a country that uses it. By the way, why did you live in the US when you were young? Oh, my dad had a job there and my family moved there with him. After the job, we moved back to France. Despite the short time, it was a really fun and memorable time living in the US. Yeah, it is fun living there. It has very different attractive points from France. Oh, I can see the tower from here. I can go on my own now. Thank you for spending time with me. You are welcome. I have to go now. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Hi, sorry, do you speak English? Yes, what's the problem, sir? Sorry, I have a problem understanding the menu. What is this? Oh, that's our coffee shop's special French toast paired with honey and strawberry. I see. I would like one of those, and a black coffee, please. Got that. Anything else, sir? I think that's all. Thank you a lot for your help. By the way, your English is really good. Where did you learn it? Thank you, sir. I'm actually studying English at my university now. I'm a third-year student, and English is my major. Our shop also has many English-speaking customers, so I'm used to it by now. No wonder your English is so excellent. You must be a very hard-working student. Well, once again, thank you for your service. You're welcome, sir. We will bring out your order in a moment. Good morning. Thank you for coming to our interview today. First of all, please introduce yourself. Hello, everyone. Thank you for giving me a chance to participate in the interview today. My name is Hoa. I just graduated from Foreign Trade University. Thank you, Hoa. As you can see, because we are an international company, speaking English is a prerequisite skill for our staff. Therefore, we would like to ask you a bit more about your English proficiency. Can you use English in daily conversations? Have you taken any English proficiency tests before? Yes, I can use English without much difficulty. I have studied English since high school. At the university, I studied some of the subjects in English as well. About English proficiency tests, I have taken an IELTS test last year with an overall score of 6.5. I have attached a copy of the test result in my document. I see. That's good. It seems like you will not have any problems communicating with employees from different countries. You are qualified for the next round of the interview. We will see you later. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the US. What about you? Where are you from? Do you speak English? Hi, I'm Rio. I'm from Japan. I can speak a little English. Nice to meet you. Hello, guys. My name is Edward. I'm from Canada, so of course I can speak English pretty well. Nice to meet you. What a relief that we can all communicate in English. This is my first time doing volunteer work abroad, so I'm pretty nervous if I can make friends with the members. Yeah, me too. By the way, Rio, your English is so good. Thanks, Edward. It's actually thanks to working in this volunteer organization. I could meet many people from different countries to practice English. I see. Great to hear that. Seems like you have lots of fun here. I do. Besides working hours, members usually talk a lot. I've joined this activity for almost 2 years now. That's great. But did you learn any English before joining here? Yes, I did. I studied English in my high school. But I wasn't so good at it. I couldn't have a proper conversation at that time. But you're doing amazing now. What an improvement. It's so cool of you to be able to speak 2 different languages. I want to learn Japanese someday. Can you teach me? Yes, anytime. But I have to warn you that Japanese is not easy at all. Ha 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 ha! I know. Anna can join me studying, right, Anna? Yeah, I want to learn Japanese too. The language sounds so cool. It is. Oh, it's 8 now. Let's start working. Talk to you guys later.
Okay, have a nice day. I'll see you later.
Wait, are you going to be home for dinner?
No, I'm going out with Sam tonight.
Sam? Who's Sam?
Sam's my friend.
Oh, is Samantha pretty?
No, his name is Samuel and he isn't pretty.
Do I know him?
I don't think so.
Well, what does he do?
Sam's a sculpture student at school.
And where does he live?
He lives in Notting Hill, Ladbroke Grove.
And where are you going tonight?
We're going to the pub, okay?
Does Sam have a car?
Yes, he does.
Will he be driving tonight?
No, he isn't. I'm taking my car.
Well, please be careful.
Of course, I will. I'll see you later. Bye, Mary.
Bye. He's the eldest child in our family. I understand. You're a good sister. Thank you. You're very sweet. Where can I buy a coat? I know all the best shops. I can't spend a lot of money. How much is a coat? Don't worry about the price. We'll find you a lovely coat. I'm an experienced shopper.
I'm very grateful to you for your help.
Sweet girl. Now tell me, what size are you?
I'm a size 40.
Okay, I think that's a 12 here.
I need a black coat in
wool.
Yes.
Yes, and what about shoes? What size shoes do you wear?
I wear a size 38.
I think that's a UK size 5.
But I don't need shoes.
Every woman needs shoes. Lots of them.
Lots of them.
Now, I'll call Lisa.
Lisa?
My sister. She'll want to come too.
Oh, good. It will be nice to meet your sister. Does she look like you?
Oh, goodness, no. Lisa has blonde curly hair and dark eyes. Here we go. Lisa, hi, sweetheart. Well, we have an emergency. My Spanish friend, Mary, she needs a new coat.
Come over quickly. Okay, see you. She'll be right over.
Do you need to buy anything today?
Yes, I need to buy some clothes.
What kind of clothes do you want to buy?
I need to get some shirts, some trousers, and a warm jacket.
Is there anything else you want to buy?
Oh, yes, I need to buy a guidebook about London.
What would you like to buy first?
I think I would like to buy the clothes first.
We have many different places to choose from.
What are the choices?
Well, we can go to Kensington High Street.
Is it a very expensive place to buy clothes?
Yes, it is an expensive place to buy clothes.
Can we go somewhere a little bit cheaper?
Yes, we can.
Where can we go?
We can go to King's Road.
Is it cheaper than Kensington High Street?
Yes, it is cheaper.
Is it far from here?
No, it's quite near.
Well, can we go there, please?
Sure, we'll go there.
Okay. London is very expensive, isn't it?
Yes, London is very expensive.
I think Bangkok is much better.
Why is Bangkok better than London?
Well, because the shops are much cheaper.
Does Bangkok have many shops to choose from?
Yes, there are a lot of different shops.
Are the Thai people helpful?
Yes, they're very helpful.
Maybe I should live in Bangkok too.
Yes, I think you would like to live in Bangkok.
Have we forgotten to buy anything?
Yes, we forgot one item.
What did we forget to buy?
We forgot to buy a guidebook.
Do you really need a guidebook?
Yes, I really need a guidebook. Excuse me, I would like to buy a guidebook.
What kind of guidebook would you like?
I would like a color guidebook of London.
Will you be traveling outside of London?
No, I'll be staying in London.
What activities are you interested in?
I'm interested in shopping and museums.
I recommend you buy this one.
Okay, thanks. How much does it cost?
£5.
Thanks. I will buy this one.
Did you buy a guidebook?
Yes, I bought one.
Can I have a look at it?
Yes, here it is.
So, which places would you like to visit?
Oh, there are so many interesting places I wish to visit.
Which places in particular?
I want to visit the museums.
Do you know which museums you'd like to visit?
I want to visit the Natural History Museum and the Science Museum.
Are they included in the guidebook?
Yes, they are included.
What about Buckingham Palace? Would you like to visit the palace?
Yes, I would like to visit it soon.